Gold kept crashing throughout the day. We have seen gold hitting the lows at 25.37, reaching past the critical zone at 25.40, while silver has also followed, hitting below 30 levels, and in fact, we have seen it moving towards 29.70 levels. What to expect now with the US session? We have two key events. First, the PPI data release, then Chairman Powell's speech. Towards the towards the end of the day, I can say Chairman Powell's speech definitely it will add much to the volatility. And now, how to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Can we expect more crash, or it is bound to reverse and rise? What is going to be our strategy? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence, trade with logic. That is the most important thing. Also, this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Now, see, without any bias, if you just stick to the levels, you can profit. If it's a buy level, just go on buying and watch out the next target zone. And if it's a sell level, yes, you can go on selling. But when the bias mix in, even I commit the same mistake. When there is a bias that yes, it is going to bounce back, definitely it is not going to bounce back and it reverses. Thus you just need to stick to the levels and trade accordingly. So with that, let's start. First, if you look at the hourly charts, what's happening on the hourly charts? Look at the channel it is created here. This is a bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. Very important for it to now trade above 2560, 2565 zone. If these two levels, we can look forward to further rise, and then the important levels at 2574, 76 will appear. Beyond that, 2582, 84. So these are the four key levels which gold needs to breach past by. And if it stays above 2584 levels any point of time today, you can treat this as a confirmation of reversal. Now if you draw a line, you will find it is very important for gold to now break past beyond this zone here at 2574, 76 and 2584. If these two levels are taken, you can consider this for a breakout, consider this for a reversal here. How high it can rise? We can expect 2600, which is going to be difficult looking at the momentum as of now, which is a sharply bearish momentum. But last couple of candles we have seen it recovering. But looking at the throughout the day, the momentum we have seen, it appears to be trading bearish, and thus it requires a lot much of push for gold to trade bullish. Yes, once it stays about 2560 and 2565, 66, I think the bullishness is going to increase from there. The stochastic is starting to rise. MACD, if you look at it, has formed the third wave. It is on the verge of a crossover. Wait for it to cross over. This will lead to the confirmation of reversal. RSI here, notice that RSI just coming out of the oversold zone, and it is coming out vertically, means it is a very good indication for the inherent bullishness here. That is on the hourly charts. Let's look at the 2 hour. Now see, on the 2 hour chart, series of bearish candles, very important for the next candle to trade about 2560, 2565, 66 zone. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a very good rise, taking it till towards 2574 and then 2580, 84. Possibility is there. If it breaks the zone, you can expect a stronger reversal here in gold. Now see what gold does in general. Look at the pattern. Whenever it diverges from the 20 period, it converges. That is what we have seen. It stays there, then again a divergence, a bigger drop, and then convergence towards 2050, again a divergence, and then you can see the same happening here. Now this time again, we can see the prices are trading with too much of divergence. There is a possibility of a move towards 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2580, 84, which makes it a very critical resistance zone. Stochastic is starting to rise. The MACD, after forming the third wave, it is now almost at the bottom. Let's see if it crosses over. It is not mandatory that it has to cross over. It can crash here, but right now I can expect that it may try to show slight reversal. RSI is starting to look upwards. Vertical line is very good indication that it can come out of this with force, and thus the next candle is going to be very important here for gold. Look at the 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, consistently lower highs are seen, bigger tail is formed, the body size is minimal. Wait for the next one. If the next one you see breaking beyond 2560, 2565, 66, see what it can do. It can form the lows of this candle, which means respecting 2550 it can try to bounce back. Now with that 2550 48 is support, it can try to bounce back, and if it starts to move upwards, breaches 2566, you can look forward to 74 76 and then 80 84. Breaking beyond 25 80 84, we are looking forward to a greater bullish move here. Be mindful of this. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. The MACD is still trading bearish. It appears that it has hit the lows and it may try to reverse. The RSI is staying oversold. Coming to 4 hour, the observation is same on the 4 hour charts. Diminishing bearishness. Diminishing bearishness suggests that now the bears appears to be a bit exhausted, and now with the next candle, if you see a move above 25 60 66, we can expect it to confirm the reversal. This will become the reversal candle. What pattern it can show? It can in fact deliver a single vertical candle, and in fact it can deliver two candles for it to take it towards 2600. Possibilities there. See, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. If it can drop sharp, why it cannot recover sharp? Yes, it can. Though you can see the moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. Good bearish sign it is. And we can also notice it attempts to move towards 20 period, then a drop, and now it is very critical, very critical for gold to break beyond 2600 and 26 25 26. Only if it breaks beyond 25 26 25 26 levels, you can consider this as reversal, else every move is a retracement. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is trading at tremendous bearish levels here, and it appears it is almost hit the bottom, and chances of reversal increases. The RSI is oversold as well. Coming to, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. First of all of the candles outside Bollinger Band and putting extra pressure on the bands to expand. This time again it has hit lower lows, and if you can count lower highs as well, that it may try to come back towards lower highs and close in doji. This one possibility you should not ignore. So even if it attempts to move towards lower highs, this suggests that there could be a move which can take the gold price towards 2584, 2591, or in fact 2600. However, right now I will say the support is I will say it, the momentum is very much bearish, but it hardly requires one push for it to reverse and rise. And thus whenever you see now gold trading above 25 60 61, you can buy. Wait for it to break beyond 25 65 66 74 76 and then 82 84. Now 82 84, once it breaks, I think that is the time you can say more bullishness should prevail from there. Right now the momentum is very much bearish, but look at the stochastic. This is oversold. It can try to recover, if not today then tomorrow. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. The candle sizes are increasing, and the chances are there that we may see it turning bullish soon, and the RSI is at bottom. So looking, the selling entry first of all is now limited below 25 44 45 levels, where you can expect it to drop more. If it trades below 25 45 levels, we can expect it to move towards 25 38 36. The first target 25 30, the next, and then the next targets are towards 25 20 levels, 25 18 levels, which are going to remain the prime support zone for the day. Any move below 25 18 20 will invite a move which is going to take it towards 2500 and 24 72 levels in the near future. While today it appears that the lows for the day are done, and we are in anticipation of a little recovery. So yes, you can in fact buy at, see, ideally I will only recommend you to buy at 25 60 61. Yes, if you see it is staying about 25 60 61, initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 65 66, then 72 74, then 80 84, and then 91 and 2600. Beyond 2600, we can look forward to tremendous bullishness, taking it till towards 26 12, 26, 20 zone, and if it breaks 26, 25, 26, that's a reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. If you look at the move here in silver, you will find it is consolidated. It is trying to look forward to a break here, and if you see the lower price above 31, 31 or 30, 30.05, you can expect it to rise more. Where is the next resistance? You can clearly see 30, 20, 30, 25, and that is also the 20 period. So ideally we have to wait for it to either break above 30, 20, 30, 25, and if it stays above 30, 20, 25, you can expect it to move towards 30, 60, 30, 50 zone. Possibilities there. What is happening? Notice this. Draw a parallel. You will find it is trading here in this zone. Very, very important for it to trade beyond 31, 20, 25. That will be the confirmation of reversal for the day. Stochastic rising. The MACD has seen a good enough fall. Trying to convert this crossover can lead to reversal. RSI is at oversold zone, trying to recover. Coming to 2 hour. Look at 2 hour charts. A reversal sign. First green candle, second green candle is on the verge of creation, and which can take it till towards 30, 20, and in fact 30, 40, 30, 60 zone should be there. If it continues to rise from here, possibly we are looking forward to a good bounce back, good recovery. Though breaking beyond 31, I do not see it doing so, but yes, a little rise on the upside cannot be denied. Draw a parallel here. You will find that the highs of this channel are now at around 30, 80, 31, and breaking beyond 31 is a sign of reversal. Stochastic rising. MACD is bearish here. It is delivering the waves here. Let's see if it crosses over and reverses. And yes, it is still not much of a scope on the downside. Be mindful of this. RSI oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Preceding candle comes with a bigger tail and a greener body, suggests that there is a push from the downside. It is trying to recover, and there is a possibility of a move towards 30, 20, 30, 25 zone. And if it pushes further, we can expect a move towards 30, 40, 30, 60 zone, which is going to remain the prime resistance. And a move beyond 30, 40, 30, 60 zone will definitely try to push further for an up move towards close to 31. Though the right now I can say we are just on the verge of confirming a breakout, I will still say there are still bears out here and the bulls are not very much active. It requires a very strong push for silver to break here on the upside. Stochastic is starting to rise. MACD bearish, RSI is at bottom, and on the 4 hour charts, and you see similar observation on the 4 hour chart, series of bearish candle. A recovery can be sharp enough for it to move towards 30, 40, 30, 60 zone, or in fact higher. Possibility is very much there. Even if you look at the movement in silver, always tries to come back to the 20 period, and it appears now is the time for it to move towards the 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 30, 80 levels, 30, 60 levels. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is bearish at bottom, and the RSI is already at bottom. Coming to look at daily charts. Preceding candle comes with the lows. Today it has given a breakout here. It is trading bearish, and only confirmation of a reversal is if it trades above 30, 40, 30, 60 zone. Then you can say now the bulls are back and you can look forward to 31. Else it may deliver swings as well. And now see, this is also possible that now we have seen lower lows and it can deliver higher highs. Now higher highs requires it to travel a lot, requires a lot much of data, lot much of supportive news for it to recover completely. Yes, Chairman Powell can completely reverse it, but till then you have to be trading with caution, and we need to watch out how it behaves at around 30, 40, 30, 60, which is going to be the prime resistance for the day. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI at bottom. So looking at this, first thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 30.05. Expect it to move towards 30, 20, 25, 30, 40, 30, 60. And if 30, 60 is taken, chances will be very, very high that we may see silver at 31 and then 31, 40 and 50. Though the chances appears to be very, 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 very less. While these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, now where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell only and only if you see silver trading below 29.70. Expect 29.50 as the first target, and then 29.20, $29 levels will appear here. Remember, it can keep on crashing here, and if it trades below 29.50, we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 29.20 and $29 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. Do press the like button before leaving the video. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.